Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. In the previous lecture, we discussed about functions in Python. Today we will see Lambda functions. So let's get started. A lambda is a small anonymous function. It takes any number of arguments but have only one expression. This is the syntax of lambda function. After lambda, you have to provide the arguments, and after colon, you have to provide expression. It takes any number of arguments, but single expression. This is a simple lambda function in which a is argument and a plus 35 is an expression. In this function, we are adding 5 to 35. Now we will see lambda function with multiple arguments. For example, here we are passing two arguments a and b and return their product. Now let's see why to use lambda function. Lambda function is used when you need a small function for a short period, mainly as an argument to another function. Example, here you have a function definition that takes one argument and that argument will be multiplied with an unknown number. Here function fun is given double of an unknown number. Hope you understood lambda functions. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.